Hi guys, Aspen from Drone in Nature. This time I want to test the Sony A33 camera. It's an old camera, only films in 1080p. Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about myself. 46 years old and starting flying drones for about a year and a half ago. Yeah, my main interest in drones and stuff like that is just to fly and have fun, make good videos and just try my best. I really hope you will subscribe to my channel Drone in Nature, and please comment on my videos and watch my whole videos. That's important, so I get some watch time and maybe the YouTube algorithm will pick it up. So have a wonderful day and see you. Bye bye.